Pero ang tanong natin ngayon, kung malinaw talaga ang kanilang mga patakaran, bakit patuloy pa rin nakakalusot at kumakalat ang ganitong uri ng mga material? Mr. President, we have recently witnessed social media posts connected to tragic incidents, including the Zamboanga High School shooting and the Tacloban school shooting, where images, videos, or posts involving alleged perpetrators and disturbing circumstances were reportedly circulated online. Ginoong Pangulo, bakit kailangan pang ilabas ang larawan ng batang estudyante na nasa likod ng shooting sa Zamboanga? Pati ba naman ang duguang katawan nito na wala ng buhay sa sahig, pinayagan din ng mga social media platforms na ipakita? Sa Tacloban naman ang mga larawan at video ng dalawang batang shooter, kailangan din bang i-post para makita ng lahat ang hitsura nila? I want to be very careful here. We must not prejudge anyone who has not been convicted by a court. That neither should social media companies be allowed to turn tragedy into viral content. Ang krimen po ay hindi pang entertainment. Ang paghihirap ng biktima ay hindi po content. At ang mukha ng isang batang biktima man o suspect ay hindi dapat maging viral material. We are not asking social media companies to censor legitimate journalism, public interest reporting, or lawful expression. What we are asking them is to exercise reasonable and effective responsibility when content clearly violates their own published standards, and more importantly, when it threatens the dignity, privacy, and safety of our children. Kung kumikita po sila ng bilyon-bilyon mula sa mga advertisement at views ng kanilang mga subscribers, dapat din silang managot kapag ang kanilang kapabayaan ay nagdudulot ng malaking pinsala sa publiko. Kaya kailangan nating pag-aralan na isang batas na magpapataw ng mabibigat na multa o parusa sa mga social media platforms na paulit-ulit na nagpapalabas ng mga larawan o video na ipinagbabawal na content, lalo na at nagpapakita ng kaharasan laban sa mga kabataan. Hindi po sapat ang sabihin nilang, oh, we have community standards. The question is, are you actually enforcing them, Meta, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter? Because a policy written on a website means very little if your algorithms and moderators allow prohibited content to be uploaded online and remain there for millions of people, including children, to see it. Ginoong Pangulo at mga kasamahan, hindi maaaring ang kita ay pribado, ngunit ang social cost ng kapabayaan ay pasan nating publiko. Let us therefore demand accountability, not to silence social media, but to make it safer. At kung patuloy ninyong pababayaan ang inyong responsibilidad, dapat po kayong managot na.